let's look at 3D coordinates and then 3D vectors. Okay, so now we're going to look not just at the x-axis and the y-axis, that's just two-dimensional. We're now going to look at the z-axis that comes out of the page to make it into a 3D shape. Okay, so when you give coordinates in 3 dimensions, they're always written as x, then y, and then z. Okay, so if I want to find the coordinate of point A, let's look at the dimensions of this cuboid here. If f is the point 5, 4, 3, that means that the length is 5, the breadth is 4, and the height is 3. So if I want to get the coordinate of point A, I can say that A is going to have the coordinate 5, 0, 0. Because I'm going along to A, which is 5 along, I'm not going along the y-axis, I'm not going up the z-axis, so it's just going to be 5, 0, 0. Okay? The coordinate of D would just be 0, 0, 3. So I'm starting here, I'm not going along the x-axis, I'm not going on the y-axis, but then I'm going up the z-axis by 3, which is the height of the cuboid. The coordinate of G, I can say that's going to be 0, 4, 3. So again, I'm not going along the x-axis, I'm going 4 up the y-axis, and then 3 up the z-axis. And then this one here, M, which is the centre of the face, ABFE. So to get to that, I'm going to have to go 5 along to A. I'm going half the way along the breadth, so it's going to be 2. And then halfway along the height, which is going to be 1.5. So it's 5 to 1.5. Okay? Important rule here. All rules that we have for 2D vectors also apply to 3D vectors. Okay? So whatever we do, if we were to find out the magnitude of a 3D vector, it's the square root of x squared plus y squared, and then all we do is just put in a wee z squared as well. Okay? So let's look at example 14. 3m plus 2n. So that's just going to be 3 times the vector m, which is 3 minus 5, 2, plus 2 times vector n, which is minus 4, 0, 7. So that will give us 9 minus 15, 6, plus minus 8, 0, 14. So 9 plus minus 8 is 1, minus 15 plus 0 is minus 15, and 6 plus 14 is 20. Then to find the magnitude of a vector, so this one is 2m minus n. So let's work out what 2m minus n is first of all. So that's going to be 2 times vector m, which is 3 minus 5, 2, minus vector n, which is minus 4, 0, 7. So that's going to be 6 minus 10, 4. Take away minus 4, 0, 7. So it's 6 plus 4 is 10. Minus 10 take away 0 is minus 10. And then 4 take away 7 is minus 3. Then I want to find the magnitude of that. So the magnitude of 2m minus n is just going to be the square root of 10 squared plus minus 10 squared plus minus 3 squared. So that's going to be 100 plus 100 plus 9, which is going to give me the square root of 209. Okay?